In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect a USB mic to your phone and use it for recordings. Maybe you want to create some YouTube videos, some TikToks, some viral Instagram reels, or whatever you want. Now, if you have a microphone like I have with a USB Type-C cable, then all you need is a USB Type-C cable like you're charging. And all you have to do is connect it to your phone and plug it into the mic. That's all you have to do. But if you have a normal USB microphone, then you will need an OTG adapter which goes into your phone, and then you have to plug in the microphone. Now let's try it out. Okay, now you can hear me through the mic connected to my phone. All you need is an arm, if you want. If you don't want, you don't want. USB cable and the mic. I literally had this for months, for like maybe 3-4 months, stored in a box up in the attic. So why not just using it? Recently just crossed my mind if I can use this in any way. So I just thought, why not just connect it to my phone? So I tried with an USB cable and it worked. All you had to do is just plug it in. That's all, just plug it. Now I can use it for B-roll in my videos, for basically even if I want to shoot just with the phone and with this microphone in this magic corner, if you can say so. Enjoy this video in any way and you're getting value out of it, please comment down below if I helped you in any way. Smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe. It really helps me and it's free. Why not? See you in the next one. Thumbs up.